On the 6th day of STEADFest, City Steading gave to me
6 precision Herculometers. Okay, now these I want to explain. They only cover certain ranges. Like this one goes from 0.980 to 1.020. So it's really good for like a final gravity, very, very precise. And then like this one is 1.060 to 1.130, but it's the full scale that way. So it's very good for like an original gravity. And they range, they're all like that, like 1.000 to 1.070. So there's 3 different kinds. We're not differentiating, we're just choosing randomly, and one person wins 1 Herculometer. And to enter, there's a link in the description below. And if you don't know what this is all about, we made our own holiday called STEADFest, and it happens on December 20th. This will be the first annual STEADFest. Just happens to be Derek's birthday too. On that day, we will be announcing all of the winners of all the 8 days of STEADFest. So that's what this means. We're on day 3, which is day 6, but yeah, whatever.
We're going backwards because it's STEADFest.
Exactly, and it makes more sense. Right. You have 5 days to enter from the time of this video, and we will be emailing everybody and letting them know if they've won. But go enter now, and see you in the next one. One thing I forgot to say, you must live in the continental United States in order to be eligible to win. Really sorry, but that's just the rules. That's the way it works. Hope you understand, and hope you still celebrate STEADFest even if you don't live in the continental United States.